No, okay. Anybody first time here? They're all local. Now, okay, we can skip the next song then. Oh, what's Little Grass Shack? You want to hear that anyway? Who the heck want to go live in a grass shack anymore? You know what I mean? Because you listen to the words, I do it anyway. Yeah, go ahead, play it. Yeah. I want to go back to my little grass shack. I don't think so. Well, I kind of jazz it up a little bit, yeah. I want to go to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. I want to be with all the counties and Wahinis that I used to know so long ago. I can hear the old guitars playing on the beach and now. I can hear the old Hawaiians saying, how come you make a lot of it? It won't be long till my ship will be sailing to Kona. It's a grand old place that's always there to see. You're telling me I'm just a Hawaiian and I'm saying again, I wanna go back to my fish and boy, I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii, where the hoo-hoo-nuku-nuku-apua go swimming by. I wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii. I wanna be with all the kindness and greenness that I used to know so long ago. I can hear the old guitars playing on the beach and now. I can hear the old Hawaiians saying, I'm gonna find no kawaika, to Kona. It's a grand old place and it's always here to see. You're telling me I'm just a little Hawaiian at home singing again. I wanna go back to my fish and boy. Wanna go back to my little grass shack in Kealakekua, Hawaii, where the hoo-hoo-nuku-nuku-apua go swimming by. One more time, where the hoo-hoo-nuku-nuku-apua go swimming by. Mahalo.